In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Salesforce. Let's get started by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. This is where you'll kick off the process, and from here, we'll take a few simple steps to customize your Salesforce experience, which is tailored to your needs. After you reach the homepage, the next thing you want to do is locate the Quick Settings menu. This is easily accessible from the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Quick Settings will expand a set of options. Here, you'll see various tools and configurations available to you. Among them, you'll find an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that. This is a crucial step because it brings you into the back end of Salesforce where the real magic happens. On the Advanced Setup page, focus your attention on the left-hand panel and click on Object Manager. This section lets you manage and modify the objects in Salesforce, which essentially are those segments like accounts, contacts, campaigns, etc. After clicking, you will be presented with a list of objects, and you need to choose the appropriate label or object for which you want to create a custom field. Selecting the right object is important because the custom field will pertain to this specific segment. Once you've selected your object, look for the Fields and Relationships option on the menu. This is what lets us view and manage all existing fields for your chosen object. Click on it and then select New. By clicking New, you're initiating the process of creating a brand new custom field. Now, on the New Field page, you'll see various data type options. Click on Text, which is commonly used, but feel free to select other options like Date, Checkbox, etc., based on what suits your needs. After choosing your data type, click on Next. Here, you're prompted to type a field label. The field label is how you will identify this field on the user interface. It should be descriptive enough to convey its purpose. You'll also need to enter the character length, ensuring this field will accommodate your data without restriction. Character length allows you to control the maximum data length for your field entries. Next comes the field name section. This is a unique identifier for your custom field. Optionally, you can add a description to provide more information about the purpose and use of this field. This can be useful for future reference or others who may work with this custom field. Before you proceed, take a moment to review everything you've input. It's essential to ensure all entries are accurate before moving on. Once satisfied, click on Next. The next phase involves establishing field-level security, which controls who can see or edit this field. Consider the access levels you want to assign and configure them accordingly. In the subsequent step, focus on adding your new field to page layouts. This means you'll designate where this custom field will appear on the Salesforce interface. Very crucial for user ease. The last step is to click Tambi what's save. This finalizes your custom field creation and makes it available within your selected object. And that's it! With just a few simple steps, you've customized your Salesforce instance to better fit your specific requirements. Be sure to test your new field to make sure it works as intended in the context of your Salesforce operations.